Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna share a whiteboarding tool where you can take note as well, where you can create tons of diagrams like flow charts and other things. So basic whiteboard type of tool properly, and you can collaborate with your team members here as well, via voice only. And the last thing is you don't require logging into this platform. So all in all, a great cute little package. Now don't expect too much from this platform. This is kind of a simple and easygoing a tool or a piece of software here, piece of app here. So let's get started and see what it provide, right? So here is our today's app, that is Eraser. Now when I say app, that means web app. এতদিনে তো আইডিয়া হয়েই গেছে, লাইক what I usually refer to as an app. Basically a app is an application where you can do stuffs, so that's why this is a web app. And here is a like really cute little diagram of it, but how it really works, here you can see it, like real time workplace in here, like not real time but a real time preview of this workplace. Okay, so as you can see it here you can take notes, like I gonna show you this platform as well, like this section as well. And here are some other features that they have mentioned here and some other things, blah blah blah. We don't want to go there too much into this, but let me show you the workspace. So this is the workspace. You can give your workspace a name and type anything, start typing anything. And as you can see here, they have also this code type syntax here, right? So you can obviously use backtick to create codes, so that is also a great thing to have, like really great thing, because using whenever you are jotting down your notes, like if you are a developer or working in a team, like developing team, so it's really easier to write down codes along with, like here you can see write the api, read api, they have all mentioned all of them here. And here you can see both of the interfaces side by side. One is obviously the note taking side, and another is the whiteboard side, where you can do all sort of stuffs, as you can see it here. And if you want, you can obviously like view only note, or only both of the things, or only canvas. That is also possible here. Okay, and here you can see the shortcuts that are here, like hashtag, like basic shortcuts that you use everywhere. Pretty much the same, like you use it in the notion too, like most of them are used in the notion too. So you can see that here as well. So you can share the workspace to your colleague or to your team member, and they can join here. And you can start a audio chat. To start a audio chat, you just have to allow the microphone on this website, and that's it. You don't require any signing in or logging in into this platform. So that's a great thing. Here are some use cases, but rather than showing you the use cases, I want to show you the templates they are already providing. As you can see it here, here is the template section. So the templates that they are providing here, so flowchart diagrams, if you know about it, you know about it. Entity relationship diagram, dbms stuff, then agile board, product management, product require document, okay, sprint retrospective, stripe dashboard, UI, like of wireframe template of stripe dashboard. So this is gonna be a wireframing tool, like wireframe kind of stuff. Then AWS architecture, wow, that's a great thing. Then swimmer and chart, GCP architecture. So basically every kind of thing that you can think of, like uh whenever you are using a tool like Miro or similar kind of a tool like that. So what you can do in that, you can do that here as well, like Miro or Whimsical. Whenever you are using such kind of software, you can do similar things in here also. But this is not that much of advanced level software. This is the easygoing software. Okay, so that's it about this website. I'm going to use it for sure because I loved it. Why not? So I'm bookmarking it in front of you because why not? Done. And that's it for this video. I know, like, if you are my friends, my classmates, my college mates, so our projects are coming, so obviously all of our team's gonna need it. Even if you are my professor, sir, obviously you can use it, sir or ma'am, you can use it while you are teaching us, rather than using any flimsy kind of software, because PowerPoint is not your whiteboard. So you should really consider it. And rather than that, whoever else is seeing this, like if you are a productive person and you need some kind of this type of software, obviously this is for you. So try it out, let me know in the comments if you liked it or not. I know it's gonna help you a lot. Rather than that, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know some of the great apps, web apps like this, or anything else regarding designs, coding, open source, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well, so I can feature them in my future video. So bye for now.